Hello together. In this video I want to show you how you can activate flash on call on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. On your backside we have here this little flash, and normally you would use this flash only for pictures when making photos, but you can also use it when somebody wants to call you. Just think of that you are in a restaurant, putting your phone down here, and then perhaps somebody calls you but you have it on mute, and then it will flash. So it's pretty cool then you can see it pretty easy, and that's, I think, is a pretty cool feature. So how you can activate this? You must click here on the phone symbol and then on the three buttons here, the three dots at the top. Then you go to settings, and then when you are in your settings, you go on calling accounts, and then on advanced settings, and you can see here flash on call. The camera flash will blink for incoming calls when the screen is locked. And now I have just activated in some on some phones. When I activate it, then it will just flash, but on this phone it doesn't flash, but it doesn't matter. Here you can activate it, and when now somebody will calls me, my flash will just flash and will blink, and then I can see, okay, somebody's calling me at the moment. Yes, this is how you can activate flash on call on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.